Well, good morning. Well, it's afternoon now. Kind of rainy outside, guys. What I plan on doing is doing a little product review of something I just purchased. Very happy on my purchase. You know, looking over the videos and while I was doing my research, there wasn't very many videos on this particular brand that I was looking at, and I think I need to do a video. So with that being said, let's go into my little workshop. Yeah, I'm just trying to get a little something together. It's a little makeshift workshop. I'm kind of happy about it. But this is what we came to talk about right here. This is yeah, I kind of just popped this loose earlier. But this is kind of what I want to talk about, fellas. I want to talk about the Everlast welder that I just picked up. So with that being said, let me go ahead and get set up so we can dodge into this welder, man. You know, yeah, we're gonna do some great things here with this thing here. We're gonna do some great things. So let me go ahead and get set up, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so here we go. Let's talk about this Everlast 312. I believe it's a 312. So everything came in the box. Box in the box. A box in the box. See, I'll figure this out. A box in the box. Come on, baby. All right, here we go. Pretty stout box, man. So with my MIG gun, looks like it's got a couple of sizes in here for the hose and the MIG itself. Pretty heavy duty, man. I like that. I like that. So these are the components. Set of wheels. That's my stick. Ha ha! Pretty nice ground. Pretty nice ground clamp, guys. Yeah. I'm digging it. I'm very much digging it. So yeah, this is again the CYCLONE 312. Supposed to get up to 300 and let's see how many amps I'm supposed to get up to. I guess these go on top. I don't want to confuse these with that else. These are the wheels. That's my filter for my air. My gas. For my gas. I'm gonna get to you in a little bit. And here's all my fasteners, clamps, and pins. These are my different sizes for my roller wheel. You got both solid and you got flux wire that you can put in there. Yeah, I see some of them are grooved. Some of them are grooved for the wire, and the smooth rings are for the flux. Yes, it's pretty good. I'm digging it, I'm digging it. Not sure what this, oh, this probably goes for the handle. This for the wheel. That's it on this box. So let's take a look at the MIG machine itself. No, I haven't went through none of this stuff, man. I'm pretty excited. It came in a couple of days ago. And yeah, I'm using my old trusty wagon, man. If you don't have a wagon, you need to get you one. Because they work. You know what? Yeah. Yeah, I'm forgetting I got my little shadows on me and the bicycles above me. That'll all be changed, I think. I'm gonna rechange this shop around so that I can bring some additional taller items in here. Really, that was just for to get the bikes out the way. So let's just take a look at this here. I might need to take it out the wagon, right? Yeah, I might need to take it out the wagon. So let's figure out what we gotta do here. Pretty heavy box. It's a box, probably a box inside of a box. Let's see something. Yeah. We're gonna figure it out, guys. Work smarter, not harder. That's what they tell me, right? So, here we go. I can save this for later. Push this back in here. Now, let's see what we're working with. Box inside of a box. Be careful if you're doing, be careful with that. You know, see, just like I open this box up, see this hose, see this line? It's right here on top, fellas. Right here on top. Look, be careful if you're trying to open it with this. I just noticed that. All right, let's see. Let me figure it out. All right, I know, shaking it up a little bit. But let's figure this out though. All right now. Everlast CYCLONE 312. You know, guys, I made a decision on whether I was going to go with this 312. I could have went up a model, but I decided to plant my feet on the 312. It looked like it could handle everything that I was looking for it to do. A lot of the reasons why I went with this particular model put you a nice, you can put you a nice 44 pound roller on here. Yeah, this is very nice. There we go, guys. Yeah, you saw me make a small mistake on the handle. But this thing is pretty. Yeah, this is pretty heavy. But I see it's solid. Yeah, it's gonna be with me for a while, man. So, the CYCLONE 312. All right, so. One of the reasons I made this video was when I was looking for a welder, you know, I kind of blogged through all the videos looking for the right one for me. And when I looked for ones with Everlast, there wasn't a whole lot of you know, unboxings and whatnot. So I figured I'd take the opportunity to do an unboxing so that you know, you guys can see what all comes in the box. Really right now, man, I'm very impressed about the machine. I haven't really used it yet. And people will say, well, why you got such a big welder? Why did I get such a big welder? I don't see myself purchasing another welder for the next 10 years. So I think purchasing what I want right now, you know, they tell you to try once. Try once and get what you want. Because I tried once. But I'm very, very happy with the results. Alright, you guys. Have a good one. Until the next time. Probably be back on here. Probably be welding up something. My plan is to get into the welding, maybe welding fences, tables, hey, barbecue pits. That's one of the main things. Barbecue pits are really where I'm at right now. But again, I'll be back on here later. See if we can do something. Probably go through some practice runs. And we'll go from there. Once again, man, thank you for watching the whole video. Appreciate the views. Like and subscribe. And catch me on the next video. Alright, you guys, have a good one.